Hello and namaste. This is your nutritionist Prerna once again back with something very informative. We have all been talking about different kind of detailed diet plan for the COVID patients. We have been understanding to what is the link of obesity with COVID, and I have done several videos that have also helped us to understand what are the foods that help one increase the immunity. This video brings to you a very different dimension, a dimension that somewhere down the lane I feel we have all been missing out on. And it's about what are the foods and the lifestyles that decreases one's immunity. So let's understand this in very brief, and we can definitely justify all the kind of foods and things that we do to increase our immunity after understanding this perspective. So there are certain kind of foods like foods which are high in caffeine, excessive salt, excessive processed foods like breads, maida, pizzas, bases, etc. These all are a reason to decrease the immune level. Also foods which are high in MSG. MSG is a component that affects directly the thymus and the spleen. Both of these things are important in the process, in the functioning and building up the immune level. So again, we need to make sure and ensure that we are not having too many packaged foods. Apart from that, are you controlling well on your white sugar? If you're still consuming white sugar, it's high time that you stop it, because there are two very big defaults in the consumption of white sugar, especially in the immune system. A, that it takes over the place of vitamin C, so it diminishes your vitamin C absorption in the body. And B, it also, when you have sugar, 2 hours your immune system drops, and it takes another 2 hours for the immune system to come back to place. So almost 4 hours your immune is under crash. So this is one reason why you should be completely stopping white sugar. Now when I say white sugar, it also means sugar which is coming in the artificial forms like saccharin, aspartame, or through sucralose, which is present in energy drinks, it is present in sodas, tangs, so on and so forth. So make sure that you are taking care of the hidden sugars as well. Apart from that, it is very important and to know that having the correct kind of refined oil is very essential, because oils can lead to bouts of inflammation and affecting the lungs as well as the other organs of the body. So correct oil, a single indulgence of alcohol can make one more susceptible to get affected with the COVID virus for up to 24 hours. So the rule is very simple. You take care of the immune system and the immune system takes care of you. Apart from this, there are several other lifestyle changes that one needs to make. I understand that changing a lifestyle at a very instant phase is not something which is very realistic, but you can definitely start with slow and gradual steps. So smoking, sleep deprivation, poor dental hygiene and poor mental hygiene that we have always been talking about in our previous videos as well. So making a good connection, making a good lifestyle modification in all these areas is something that we definitely must take care of. And excessive burping, that is good. If you have any kind of a gut issue, it could be acidity or suffering with constipation or GERD, as I mentioned. Gut is a place where more than 80% of the immune cells reside. So having a good gut health is very important and therefore must be very precisely taken care of. So ensure, इसीलिए हम कहते हैं ना, मल में बहुत बल है, ये आयुर्वेद में इसीलिए बोला जाता है, क्योंकि अगर आपका मोशन साइकिल ठीक है तो आपका 60% ऑफ द बैटल इज वन. आपका इम्यून सिस्टम अच्छा रहेगा, आप फ्रेश फील करेंगे, हेल्दी फील करेंगे, मेंटली भी आप रिलैक्स रहेंगे. देखिए उन दिनों पे जब आप स्लीप, करेक्ट मोशन साइकिल्स, एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट ऑल्सो exercising or over exercising. Now this can create trouble as well because it disturbs the entire cortisol levels. So do not over exercise. You need to understand, you need to listen to your body. जितना आपकी body को ज़रूरत है उतना आप उसे exercise दीजिए. Or doing crash dieting. As the word suggests, crash dieting crashes down your system. It might help you to crash down your weight, but is it really worth? आप उसके बदले में आपके इम्यून सिस्टम की बैंड बजा रहे हैं इन मुंबईया लैंग्वेज. या सो आप लूज कीजिए. अगर एक्सेस वेट है उसको डेफिनेटली आपको लूज करना चाहिए, बट कैसे? सही तरीके से. यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट यू आर फॉलोइंग अ लाइफस्टाइल एंड अ डाइटरी मॉडिफिकेशन और ब्रिंगिंग आउट अ चेंज इन इट. Something that you're going to be doing it for the rest of your life. Something which is sustainable, something which is for a long term, something that is, keeping your nourishment good. So you nourish yourself from inside. At the same time, you can definitely lose weight the healthy way. As I always emphasize on it, holistic health is the need of the hour. It's not just how you look, it's more than how you look. It's about having a good, strong health from inside is what will make you a better person outside. So friends, this virus is very, very rapid, but it is very, very, very curable, provided you know it at the right time. So with my experience and with my understanding to this, I feel अगर किसी को कोई भी तरह के symptoms हो रहे हैं, do not delay to go to a doctor. Do not delay to get yourself checked, because if it is at a milder level, it can be cured better. Before it moves to a moderate and to a severe level, then the situations become little intense. And anyways, the ground reality in Mumbai here is not that great. So we need to we need to keep a watch on ourselves. We need to, not only work on increasing our immune system, but also understand that what are the mistakes that we tend to do in our daily lifestyle that can also decrease the immune system. So I hope this video brings you good information and a simple understanding to change if you need to, because now is the time. There is no other time. Okay? With this note, pain is inevitable, but suffering is optional. Have faith in your support system. Do whatever you can do to fight this virus from all the possible directions. And we will all emerge as fighters, as winners to this virus. Yeah? With this note, do let me know in the comment section if you're wanting me to talk on any specific topics as well. I'll be very keen to know that and will definitely try to address them. Stay tuned, stay happy, stay positive, but do not become COVID positive. You just be mentally positive and COVID negative. Thank you so much for watching. This is Prerna, your nutritionist, signing off.